with fan collector Mark Wilson.
Hey, hey!
And the fan cave. Well, he's visiting my fan cave.
Yes, yes, the metal cave.
Yes, the metal pad.
With metal pad, lots of metal fans.
Yes, and we are testing metal fans. As you can see. I figured I'd show him my, since he loves my Dayton there, and my Casa Classic there. Oh yeah, on the Gold Line. Modern Gold Line. This is a Butterfly Industrial. You've seen this before. I got this last summer's summer group trip of Fanimation, and you are in for a ride with this thing. Okay, it's now set, and it's ready for a 0 to high. Which is the black switch. Let's 0.68. Oh, 1.17 amps. Oh, 1.19 amps is what it jumps up to. It's, you know, when you start it up, there's an inrush current.
Yeah.
Full. I use this thing, and I was thinking about maybe putting that one back where this Gold Line is.
Oh yeah, yep.
That's one, or I could either, I have to shorten the down rod of my Agrifan and have two 60-inch ones here. I have to get a shorter down rod for the Agrifan, but it's a 60-inch Agrifan.
Yeah.
1.10 amps is what this thing is drawing. Now I'm going to do a power factor again. 109 watts is what it draws. And a power factor of 0.88, so close to a power factor of 1. So what do you think of this one, this thing?
It's quite powerful. I love it.
Oh, me too. In fact, if you want, check this out. I usually go back to this amp here and do a low, airflow test.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's the best spot to do one.
Oh yeah, I feel it.
And I called that Beyond Gold Line.
Yeah.
That's like, it surpasses one. In fact, another one that we tested, me and Dan tested, he got them last spring, was those cast iron SMCs.
Oh yeah, yep.
He got them out in Michigan somewhere. He went out to some farm. He went out of the way to get them. But, some of them have some bearing issues, but we tested one that was like the best condition, and that thing is like this.
Nice.
Cast iron, and it just flies. It's Beyond Gold Line.
There's one, I think it's cast iron too, in my storage facility. It's the only fan in the entire place, and it's an old, some kind of old, just a metal building, I believe, and one of those Morton buildings. But yeah, it's just one random. I have pictures of it. I think I even did a video of it once.
Yeah.
And it's not plugged in though. There's a plug, and it's just hanging there.
Yeah.
It's like they unplugged it. So.
But this thing, yeah, that's what I mean by this thing hauling ass.
There's no one suspects the butterfly. Yes.
Yeah. That's why I said that one was Beyond Gold Line.
Oh yeah.
But then we're gonna do spin downs with this thing. This also has a long spin down, being a cast iron. Usually cast iron fans have aluminum blades.
Oh yeah.
Like Gold Lines are that way. Gold Lines, are aluminum blades with cast iron motor. Now, when it's done spinning down, I have a way to test that.
Well, stamped are just steel blades, right?
Yes, stamped as steel on steel.
Yeah.
Like Silver Lines are.
Yeah, yeah.
Even my Ascension is that. They're stainless steel or that brushed nickel.
Yeah. The Safer Airmasters.
Yep. Well, some are. Well, the better, safer Airmasters that are equivalent to the Newtone Pro line are also cast aluminum.
Oh, yeah.
Like those Pro lines there.
Yeah.
Cast aluminum. And, yeah, they would have aluminum blades, too.
Yeah, did you ever see the one at, I made a couple of videos of the Lawrence, Mass Habitat, and there's all Relight Airmasters, but in one far corner there's a Safer Airmaster.
Oh, yeah. Now, some of the safer Airmasters are also equivalent, to the Newtone Pro line. Cast
Yeah.
aluminum.
Yeah, they look just like them, so you can
Yeah.
tell it's the same OEM. Yeah.
It is, made the same way, cast aluminum motors.
Just different upper canopies, that's all. Yeah.
yeah,
A little
exactly.
something to differentiate Newtone from Airmaster. But,
Yeah. See, that's a long spin down there.
oh, yeah.
That's how good of a fan that thing is.
Yeah.
God,
That's a beauty, yeah.
it is, and I used it too. I had it in place of where the Dayton is.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You know, I have it off because when we test solid state, I want to test that fan and check out how noisy or how quiet it's going to be.
Right, right.
Some are like, say I ran my 3-blade blender fan. I've ran that on a solid state and on low.
It's quiet, right?
Yeah, almost quiet. It's like so close to quiet, it's, easily tolerable, like bedroom quiet.
Yeah.
Some are that quiet on. All right, this one I also determined was an 8-12-20. But this time what I'm going to do is have you go through the whole decade box sequence.
Cool.
Go through it, started on 1, 2, 3, go until it starts, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's starting on 6. It's just started.
Barely moving, yeah.
Yep. 7. And then 8. Okay, we're gonna let 8 stay so that I can show you. It's actually picking up speed on 8 there. To show you that this is the low speed I get with an 8-12-20. Anything under that, as you can see, like say if I put this control on that fan, I won't get anything, on the low speed. Like 5 is not enough to get it moving.
Yeah, I need at least 7, yeah.
That's why, I determine what wall control I could say that's got too low of speeds.
Yeah.
Jump to high, or the lowest speed will not start it. It's not enough to start it.
Right, right.
So that's same with the learning remotes. Like Dan has add capacitance to the low speed capacitor in the remote receivers.
Oh, yeah.
Because low by default is 5. So he'll add, capacitance to raise it for it to start. Like the Royal Windine, he had to do that too.
Oh, yeah, the pimped out blender fan, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I love that thing. See how this one also has a nice low? It's perfect low.
Yeah.
See how perfect it's like if you use
Just the right speed for low, yeah.
Exactly. I call it a functional low.
Good for like a restaurant or something, yeah.
Well, the restaurant would be slower, more of a static low.
Yeah.
This is a perfect low for like, say like in my setting where I want to bring heat down.
Yeah, church or something, yeah.
Well, church, or store where you have the heat and it's a high ceiling and you want to gently move that air down.
Yeah.
Not cool it. So there you want to actually bring the heat down. And then, let's continue. See what's it drawing on?
9!
Yeah, 0.38. 9. Go to 10. Was not much of a difference. 10. And then we're just going to skip 11. I'm going to go back to 2. Go back to 2. Back to 2. And then hit the 10. 10. Okay.
It's like the equivalent of the 12 setting.
Yes. And you can see you get a perfect medium low out of this thing.
Oh, yeah.
That's like exactly what you want for a medium low, where it's faster than low and it starts to move a little bit of air, but it's not quite too fast either.
Yeah.
That's another good speed to bring heat down if you have a higher ceiling. I've seen that speed used a lot.
Yeah.
Because it's giving it an extra boost of air movement, but it's not enough to cool it.
Yeah, it's not going to be, if you're standing under it, you're not going to be cool to the touch. You're not going to be cool to the, it's not going to make your skin feel cool, but it's going to bring heat down.
Especially
So,
on a
yeah.
high ceiling.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go to 13. Not much of a difference. Let's go up to 14, 15, 16, 17. We're going to go up to 20. Go up more. All right. See where we're at now. Okay, that's 20, and let's see what it does there, and see how perfect that is for like a backed off high.
Oh yeah.
And if you wanna, now I don't think I hit a resonant frequency with this. It took way over 20 to even come close to high.
Yeah.
So, but what we can do, since we did 8, 12, and 20, this is a perfect medium high.
Yeah.
And then when you hit high, you got more to go. And you see a difference. It's enough of a difference to go from medium high to high.
Oh yeah.
But at the same time, you get that perfect speed range on a 4-speed with the 8, 12, 20 on these.
Yeah.
It's just that perfect. And now we're going to try it with the solid state. I'm going to stop it by hand this time. This thing took so long to spin down. All right, now I'm gonna, what I do, since the circuit runs through these, all of this, now I'm gonna switch it. This is like a 3-way switch there.
Oh yeah.
That's why I can switch it to solid state. Now the current's gonna go through this.
Yeah.
And you can do the same, inch it up and see where it starts. Nice. So far. I can't even hear anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I recall
The quiet fan.
very quiet with a solid state. Usually I like to test it at medium-low because that's the noisiest it's going to be on a solid state.
Yes.
Before wind noise starts to kick in.
Right, right.
It's the noisiest that you're going to give it the most power of. Like that, like this speed here. I can't even hear anything. I can't even hear a buzz or a hum at all.
Yeah, yeah.
That's like perfect solid state.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can't.
Little bit, but not much. Yeah, it's virtually inaudible.
That's bedroom quiet. We have our categories.
Yeah.
In me and Dan, we have our bedroom quiet, which is this. This is literally that.
Yeah.
And then you got, when you start to hear a little more, like on the last one, you hear it a little bit living room quiet.
Yeah.
And then there's being in like a shop or warehouse setting where noise ain't gonna matter.
Yeah, yeah.
Because this would be good for a church too, You can't even hear that.
That's right, yeah, yeah.
Same with why blender fans are good on solid state in a church, like 3-blade ones.
Yeah.
They're that quiet that you really do not hear them.
Yeah.
So yeah, what's it drawing? See, now this, the current draw on there is just a minute amount under. So I'm going to hit the high switch and flip it to straight high. Now watch. See, it even inrushed a little bit. And the current draw is 1.10.
Okay.
From solid state, which is just a nose hair under.
Yeah.
Straight high. Yeah, the way I have this set basically is the low trim on this solid state is all the way down.
Okay, that makes sense.
So that when, I test solid state, I'm just inching it up to where it starts so that when you turn it all the way down, it's literally off.
Yeah.
So that you start inching it up until it starts and find out. So, yeah, that is basically how I would test this butterfly. I've done a video on this, but
Oh, yeah.
to show you what this thing can do. I had to show you what this thing can do.
It's a very powerful fan.
It
Yeah,
is.
I love
I
it.
definitely do have intentions of putting it back up.
Yeah,
Especially in here, I could do that.
installed
Put
somewhere.
it in
Yeah,
the bedroom because I've put my gold line in the bedroom.
yeah.
That one I ran on the 81220.
Yup.